Hi friends, Garcinia Cambogia, also called as Garcinia Gummi-gutta, is a magical fruit for weight loss. It is scientifically proved for its weight loss and fat burning properties. If you search in Google with Garcinia, you will see several popular brands producing weight loss pills with mainly Garcinia as ingredient. Look at this. These supplements are around $30, which is pretty expensive. There is $1 million business in weight loss just with Garcinia. Garcinia is truly magical because it contains hydrocitric acid HCA, which has fat burning properties. Even the most stubborn fat in thighs, buttocks, hips, hands and even the belly flab can be reduced with Garcinia. I would not prefer to take Garcinia supplements because supplements most often contains large doses and may upset your stomach. Moreover, they are pretty expensive. The good news is Garcinia is commonly available in tropical places like South Asia and Central Africa. In India, it is called as Kokam, Gambooge, Malabar Tamarind or kudampuli. I have added other common names in the description below. It is sometimes used in Indian, Indonesian and Sri Lankan cuisine as a souring agent in the place of tamarind. Now we know what is Garcinia and how commonly it is available. So let's make a powerful formula weight loss drink with Garcinia. For this we need dried Kokum or Garcinia. This dried variety is very easy to store and gives us sour taste like tamarind. The Garcinia skins are very thick and you can also eat it as is. As I said, Garcinia is effective in boosting fat burning and prevents storage of fat, leading to weight loss. Cumin seeds. Cumin helps to counteract the sour taste of Kokam and makes it delicious to consume. Studies confirmed that cumin is capable of reducing fat deposits and accelerate weight loss. Ginger. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogels which are known to boost metabolism. Black pepper. Black pepper contains a component called peprin that fights fat and prevents formation of new fat cells. It is used in natural treatment for obesity. Himalayan pink salt. Pink salt contains 84 trace minerals which provide great electrolyte balance in the body. It also adds taste to our drink. Let's see how to make this Garcinia weight loss drink. First, take ginger. Peel it off and grate it. We need around 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Take a steel or ceramic saucepan. Add 2 cups of water to it and switch on the stove on low heat. Now to this add a 1/4 cup of Kokam peels, also called as Garcinia peels. Toss in 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of previously grated ginger. Toss in a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. If you cannot handle more spice, you can reduce the amount of black pepper. Now finally add a 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. As I said, salt complements the sour taste of Kokam and makes it delicious to drink. Stir all the contents once and close the lid. Let it boil on low heat until Garcinia becomes so soft and tender. It takes about 10 minutes on low flame for them to fully cook and become soft. After boiling for about 10 minutes, switch off the stove. Let the contents cool down. We should wait for it to fully cool down as we are making a cold drink. Strain this using a tea strainer or a cheesecloth. In a separate glass mug, throw in some ice cubes. Now add this strained Kokam or Garcinia drink into that. That's all. The special, delicious Garcinia weight loss drink is ready to serve. You can take this weight loss drink anytime during the day. Best enjoyed at evenings as a refreshment drink. Thank you. Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.